have an engine breakdown on South 99, just north of Bakersfield. We're waiting for a tow truck to come here and rescue us. And the engine just all of a sudden started making a mechanical mesh sound. Not the kind of sound you would get from a crank or rods, but possibly the sound that you would get from a roller follower, timing chain, cam tensioner, or a cam guide. So one of those things is the problem, and we're going to get towed to a auto parts location, and hopefully we will be able to get things fixed up without too much difficulty. I've got plenty of tools with me, got plenty of experience. I've been working on vehicles for years and years and years. So right now we're just waiting for the tow truck to come in, and should be here within 20 minutes. Anyway, let's go back to the long front view. All right. So there you go. This is the current road conditions. Hazard lights are on. Okay. So, what do you think, Archie? Does this suck? Yeah? Poor boy. What do you think, Poppy? Yeah, no fun, is it, baby girl? Okay, so we'll keep you posted.
Don't go that way. Don't go that way.
Yeah. We've got a crane that is very interested in what we're doing. And, you know, actually what these guys do is they walk through the grass and they look for rodents. Delicious little rodents.
Yeah, do not go this way.
And he doesn't seem to be overly fazed by the highway traffic, which you guys can certainly hear it. Where'd the little dude go there? It's right there.
If I get out, it'll scare them away.
Yeah,
I gotta wait a minute.
You don't want to scare them. That's a handsome fella. He's just walking right by the truck here, off to the side of the road. Oh, there he goes.
Maybe he was looking for a handout.
Maybe.
Uh-oh.
Okay, here comes, well, apparently that is not our tow truck. Oh, here he is, right there. Yeah, I think that's him. Okay. It's a nice tow truck. So you can see we got some planets up. It's the moon and another planet. All right. Poor truck. side of it will clear the bridges. The truck is about 11 and a half feet, and the truck here is about 4 feet, so we're going to be 15 feet. And there are plenty of bridges that are 13 or 14 feet. So here we go. There goes the bed. Watch yourself. Okay. You want the truck in neutral?
Yeah.
Okay.
I have to steer it.
Oh, well, I have to get it. Yeah. Okay, so truck into neutral. I'll put the key in. Okay. Feels just like being out four-wheeling. Click.
Leave it in neutral and jump on out.
Neutral, you want the brake on?
Yeah, you can set the brake.
Okay.
Hey, grab my phone.
Where is it?
I don't know.
Okay. Okay. I'm just gonna. You stay, baby. You stay. Good job. Okay. Cats are in their carriers. Okay. So I guess I'll just leave the keys here and flashes on my phone. What do you think? Having fun? Yeah, well, supposed to be one of our containers. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, it's good. Crap.
This is heartbreaking. How come it's so lopsided?
Oh, because we're... Yeah. There you go. Guess we'll all cram in the front here. Oh, my poor baby. Poor baby. I hope everything is all nice and tight enough.
And they put chalk blocks there.
Oh, they'll do. He's chaining everything forward, backward, sideways. Nitro Towing Incorporated. My poor truck camper. All right. Okay, so we are at our destination for the next day or maybe two, depending on how much work this is going to take for me to fix things. Yeah. This is just more excitement than you could ever want.
I'll tell you something.
What? Yeah, there's homeless people, and she told me, but they don't know. Oh, what's that? Oh. Well, watch where you're stepping. Dork. Whoa, boy, that's a good one there. Yeah. Yeah, it's fine. Yeah. It is.
Is it scraping?
No.
All right. You might want to turn the e-brake off.
Oh, it'll roll.
There you go.
It's a weak brake.
It's off right now. It ain't rolling. It's not rolling.
No?
No.
Okay.
I gotta get to roll back to the chains on.
Yeah, okay.